Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on the Vanguard app. First, ensure you have the Vanguard mobile application downloaded and are logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the Transact button, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tapping this will open up your transaction options. From there, you'll want to select Buy to begin your stock or ETF purchase. It's a straightforward process to get started. Before buying, your Vanguard account needs to be funded. You can easily link your bank account for electronic transfers directly within the app. Decide how much money you want to transfer into your brokerage account. It's important to remember that these funds typically take about 2 to 3 business days to fully settle before they are available for trading. Plan accordingly to ensure your money is ready when you are. Now let's find the stock you want to buy. First, select the specific investment account you'll be using for this trade. Then, use the search bar to find your chosen stock. You can type in the company's ticker symbol like Apple for Apple or its full name. Once found, tap on it to view detailed information, including its current market price and other relevant data, helping you make an informed decision. With your stock selected, it's time to place your order. Enter the precise number of shares you wish to buy. Next, choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Always preview your order thoroughly to double-check all the details. Once you are satisfied, confirm and submit your purchase, and your stock will be on its way to your portfolio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.